Hi students.
Today we are going to discuss about forts and palaces, which is in the 5th standard social science, term 3, lesson 1, forts and palaces. Okay students, today you are going to see some of the important points that the forts in Tamil Nadu. The forts in Tamil Nadu. The palaces in Tamil Nadu. The palaces in Tamil Nadu. And the history of forts and palaces in Tamil Nadu. History of forts and palaces in Tamil Nadu. These are the topics we are going to discuss today. Okay students, let us move to one by one. Okay, let us move to the introduction. Tamil Nadu has been ruled several empires, including by the Chera, Chola, Pandya and Pallava rulers. Okay, now we are going to
See
Cholas, Pandyas and Nayakars. Cholas, Pandyas and Nayakars. Nayakars constructed magnificent forts and palaces in Tamil Nadu. The Dutch, the British and the French. Dutch, British and the French. The Dutch, the British and the French entered our country and they built fort to protect their territories. Fort to protect their territories. The next, the architectural monuments are now preserved in the form of palaces, forts and other historical sites in Tamil Nadu. Today, only a few palaces and forts are in good condition. They are the prime attractions for tourists in Tamil Nadu. So, the forts and palaces in our Tamil Nadu. Now, we are going to see Vellore Fort in Tamil Nadu. Vellore Fort is a 16th century fort situated in Vellore district in Tamil Nadu. It was built by the kings of Vijayanagara. Among the forts in Tamil Nadu, Vellore Fort is considered to be one of the most invincible fort. It is surrounded by a deep and wide moat. The water of this moat was home to thousands of crocodiles, was feared by many riders of the fort. It was feared by many riders of the fort. And this Vellore Fort is a good example of military architecture. It is studded with double fortifications in 1799. Tipu Sultan's family was denied here by the British. Tipu Sultan Tipu Sultan family was denied here by the British. The first rebellion against the British broke out. Rebel in year of 1806. 1806, the first rebellion. Inside the Vellore Fort, there is a well-known temple, Jalakandeswara temple. Jalakandeswara temple, a church, a mosque, and several government offices. Do you know Vellore Fort has 5 important mahals? They are Hyder Mahal, Tipu Mahal, Begum Mahal, Kandy Mahal, and Badshah Mahal. So, these are the 5 important mahals in Fort Vellore. The next fort, Dindigul Fort, is a 17th century hill fort situated in Dindigul in Tamil Nadu. It is also called Dindigul Malakottai. In the 18th century, the fort was passed on the Kingdom of Mysore. And Dindigul Fort was built by the Nayakars of Madurai in order to defend their region from the invading Mysore army. Presently, the fort is maintained by Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, Archaeological Survey of India. The fort was cemented with the double walls to withstand heavy artillery. So, this is Dindigul Fort.